Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue if you have the beko refrigerator and you have the E4 error. Like, what is the actual cause of it? So the first thing is that it can be an issue with the defrost heater, the defrost thermostat, defrost timer, or even a control board. So this can be like defrost thermostat, also heater, or even it can be issue with timer, or even with the control board. So these are the things that, because it can be like issue because of these. So first thing first, so what you want to do is you would just like completely unplug it, and you want to let it unplug for like 5-7 minutes, and you want to check if there is like any ice buildup. This is the first thing when there is like behind the back panel. Then you want to test out, if you have the multimeter, you want to test out the defrost heater. So this is another thing to like a try, and then testing out the defrost thermostat, and then you want to inspect also the defrost timer and control board. So this is something that you can do, and maybe some of it, just check this out. If there are some issues that are like YouTube videos, I just want to point it out the right direction and how you can possibly fix it. And have a great day and goodbye.